Hi, welcome back. In the last lesson, we defined the internet as being a collection of computers connected via a network. Like in the real world, we have a postal system. Now, the postal system on the internet works in IP numbers. So 242.32.31.22 can be the address of the domain name umacom.com. The way that works, it uses something called a DNS. A DNS stands for Dynamic Name Server. Now, what the DNS does, it matches the numbers to the name and the name to the number. The way we talk to a computer, or the computer talks to a server and so on, is through a protocol. Then the protocol that we use is HTTP. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. The primary two functions of HTTP is GET and POST. Now, GET is used to retrieve or request something from the server, while POST sends data captured from a form or simply posts data into a database. Okay? A simple GET request would get, for example, a file called HTML. So the client requests the file umacom.html, and the server will then respond by sending that file across to the client, which then is viewable in the internet browser. Now, a more complex GET request would be something like search.php ? Which is like a query, search query, name.equals umacom. So that search query will be sent to the server. Now, the server on the fly will generate a HTML file, which then gets sent back to the client's computer, and then he can view it in his browser. Now, that works using something called an application server, which processes PHP codes and then convert into the appropriate result, which then is displayed in HTML. Now, that's the first step into a dynamic website. In the next lesson, we'll go into more detail on how the server works and the applications on the server and so on. Okay?